Today we are making this adorable 4-inch mini vanilla cake. Tiny cakes are perfect for small celebrations, birthdays, tea parties, or simply treating yourself. And the secret recipe for a perfectly soft and fluffy sponge cake that never fails. Starting by greasing your 4-inch cake tin and lining it with butter paper so the cake comes out perfectly smooth. Into a mixing bowl, add 1 room temperature egg, half cup of sugar, and 3.5 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon vanilla essence. Whisk everything together until the mixture looks light, smooth, and creamy. If you enjoyed watching this cake come together, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing and beautiful cake decorating videos. Now sift in the half cup of flour, baking powder, and a tiny pinch of salt. Gently mix everything until just combined. Next, now add 1/4 cup warm milk and 2 tablespoons melted butter for that soft, rich, and fluffy texture. Give the batter one final mix until silky and smooth. Pour the batter into the prepared tin and tap it lightly to remove air bubbles. Now into the oven it goes. Bake until the cake turns beautifully golden and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. And our cake is beautifully baked. Let the cake cool down completely on a wire rack before decorating. While the cake cools, let's prepare the whipped cream frosting. Into a chilled bowl, add 1 cup of chilled whipped cream. Now beat it until it becomes light, fluffy, and smooth. Now I am adding a little yellow food color to give the whipped cream a soft, beautiful pastel shade. Mix it gently until the color looks smooth, creamy, and evenly blended. This pretty yellow frosting makes the cake look extra cheerful and cute. Now let's prepare a simple milk soap to keep every bite extra soft and moist. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of condensed milk and 1/4 cup of milk. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. This little step makes the cakes taste even richer, softer, and more delicious. Just look at this super soft and fluffy cake. It turned out beautifully amazing. Now it's time for the most exciting and fun part. Yes, decorating the cake. Carefully slice the cake into even layers. Then brush each layer with the milk soak to keep it extra soft and moist. Add a layer of fluffy whipped cream frosting in between each layer and stack them gently. Now cover the whole cake with the beautiful pastel yellow cream and smooth out the sides for a clean finish. Finally, pipe cute swirls on top and decorate with colorful confetti sprinkles for the extra perfect cheerful party look. And here is our final cute little 4-inch vanilla cake. Soft, fluffy, creamy and absolutely adorable. I hope you enjoyed decorating this mini cake with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more sweet cake recipes and decorating videos. See you in the next video inshallah. Until then, please take care of yourself and the people around you.